Hello, and in this module we'll be covering the processes and ways to manage a meeting that you've started within Microsoft Teams. In this particular exercise, I've already got a meeting running. I've got my microphone muted because I'm currently using it to record this session. Obviously, the mutes are up here at the top. The other thing that you will want to do is if you want to see who is attending the meeting, you can hit people here, and that's going to show people who have been invited but have not responded. It will also show people who are in this meeting. If you want to bring up the chat box, you just click on chat and you will be able to see the chat history for this meeting. Additionally, you've got the raise hand option that sometimes people will use in the event that they are doing a tutorial or a webinar. They will want people to raise their hand instead of just blurting out a question and interrupting the flow of the meeting. The other thing that you can do is share content. So you can hit the share button here and you'll have the option to share screens or specific windows. So you can also do a Microsoft Whiteboard, which is more of a collaborative item. Anyone who has gone into the meeting will be able to do whiteboard drawings and things like that in the whiteboard. So as soon as it finishes loading, you'll kind of see what I'm talking about here. All right, the whiteboard is loaded. The whiteboard is now loaded and I can do text and I can select a pen and I can come in here and test. And I can select colors and draw, or I can do the pop out here and do text, test, create basically a text box and type. I can also do stop sharing, which will close out my whiteboard. I can come back here and do share again, and again I can share things like a whole screen, or I can share a specific window. And if I choose a window, I just hit window and then I select the window that I want to share. So right now my Teams meeting is sharing, and you can see that it is outlined by a red box. That means that is what I am sharing. To stop sharing, all I have to do is click stop share. If I want to record the meeting, I come down here to the three dots, I come down to record and transcribe, and then I do start recording. And right now this would be recording. And when the meeting is over, or when I choose to stop transcribing, I can do this and I can do stop recording. And then for people who want the recordings, they will be saved in chat, and then they can download it. By default, recordings and team meetings are only saved in Microsoft for up to 30 days. After 30 days, they will be deleted, and unless you have a third-party backup going, there's not really a recovery option that Microsoft guarantees. Okay, so it's important if you want to save these recordings that you download them. Okay, and that is pretty much it. That is all the things that you can do with a meeting. Unless you add applications or things like that. You can do breakout rooms if you want. But basic meeting management that is pretty much it in a nutshell. Have a great day.